Alright, this is how to slay on your last day. Now, this isn't a tutorial, more of a vibe morale booster, cause fuck your job and that's why today's your last day. Starting out with my favorite foundation by VDL in shade D03, mine's the previous version of the Perfect Lasting Foundation. So glad it's available again. I'm almost out of this one, cause today we're busting up the good foundation. Next is Witch's Pouch High Cover Cream Concealer in shade 1.5. If anybody knows how or where to order this in the States, please let your girl know. For eye primer, I'm using Colourpop's cream eyeshadow in Bronco. Sorry y'all, this one is also discontinued. IDKY, I find it comparable to MAC's paint pots. Heads up, some other products aren't available since they're old and part of my project pan. To set everything, I'm using ABH Loose Powder in Translucent. Now for contour, I'm using my old palette of KVD Shade and Light. I'm feeling a little special, little extra, so I'm using two blushes. This one is by TooFaced, the Love Flush Blush in Baby Love. Bring these back. The next one is Tarte's Amazonian Clay Blush in Party after 5 o'clock when you finally off the clock. Hell yeah. Now careful not to add too much, even though it's the trend at the moment. I don't fucking know. However, you don't want to add too much because you don't want to blend in with the rest of the clowns at work. You know. Another discontinued gem. This is ABH Illuminator in Starlight. That's right, bitch, you a star. So much so that you've outperformed your own supervisor in 2 months. Go get it. Bust out your favorite eye palette featuring Viseart's Paris Edit. I like it that it has cool and warm shades. I label the shades in order I use them. Number 1, I used all over the lid. Second one on my outer crease. The inner highlight I use is the 3rd shade. Then I use the 4th shade on the outer corner. Next is Clinique's Quickliner in black on my lower lash line. Lastly, I mixed shades 4 and 2 on my lower lash line as well. This is one of my favorite eyeliners and it's by D Up in black. It has a brush over a felt tip. I honestly hate felt tips for eyeliners. For my eyebrows, I'm using Benefit Goof Proof Pencil in shade 3.5. Don't forget to curl your lashes. Here for mascara, I'm using Benefit's Bad Gal Lash, the waterproof version. The lash glue I've been enjoying is by Eylure, very comparable to the D Up one I had from Japan. The brush applicator is really nice, and this one is a new one in the line, I believe. Kinda glad I lost the other one without the brush. Hop on those lashes. It's your last day. Who cares if you're late? You don't. I don't. Also from Eylure, these are the 3/4 lash in number 15 light and wispy. For setting spray, I want things locked. So I'm using Benefit's Porefessional Super Setter Spray. This has a great mist spray. To top everything off, this is Buxom's Full On Lip Cream in Mudslide. Well, can't brush your hair, don't matter. Your hair is cute, just go with it. Today, you're not gonna be bothered. Enjoy your lunch, enjoy your last break. Happy last day.